This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2225RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 6, water heater, external shower, self-contained, skylight, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2225RL is 4,864 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.